Hello Peter, it's Rep here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Tryon Street Twin with only 3,000, actually it's kilometers, I don't think it's miles, so let's check it together. It is 3,033 kilometers on it. We got it as a trade-in. The bike is like brand new, has an ABS on it. Very clean, very nice. It comes fully certified. I guess I gotta put it there. There we go. Has an ABS. When you start moving this, a light will disappear. We're selling it for 84, 88 plus HSC and licensing, no extra fees. The bike just arrived. If you want to come and see, you gotta book an appointment. We are open only by appointments. And please let me know. You can call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.